So today we are going to find the focal length of convex mirror using convex lens. So here the object O is taken and the distance of the lens from the object is x1 and the distance of the lens from the mirror is say x. Now our motto is to find the radius of curvature, hence then we can find the focal length with the formula which I will tell you later. So here what we will do, we will just write the image so that we can find the position of the image using this lens method. So after this process we can get y, which is from the lens to image, and you can see from the figure that y is equal to r plus x, so that r is y minus x and the focal length is radius upon 2, so that y minus x upon 2. So this is the required table. So first I have written the position of object, say x1, position of lens x2, position of mirror x3, position of image x4, so that y is x4 minus x2 and x is x3 minus x2, so that the focal length will be y minus x upon 2. Now here you can see this is the object needle, this is the lens, convex lens, and this is the convex mirror, and I have arranged it so that we can see that the parallax is removed. As you can see that the parallax is removed, right? Now after that we can note down the reading. So here these are the readings of the object, which is at 25.8 centimeter. The position of lens is at 41 centimeter and the position of mirror is at 49.5 centimeter. Now in the second process we have replaced mirror with the image needle and we have removed the parallax, as you can see, and we have not changed the position of object and the lens, but we have changed the position of image, and the reading of the image, that is coming 72.1 centimeter. Now let's put the values and find the readings and the final answer. So after solving this we have got y and x, and we know the formula for focal length, y minus x upon 2, which gives 11.3 centimeter. In the same way we find two more readings and we take the average of the focal length, so that will give us the average of the focal length of the convex mirror. So this is how we find the focal length of convex mirror using convex lens. So I hope this experiment is clear to you all. In case if you have any doubt, please comment in my comment section. Thank you.